Hello, I'm Flora. Today we have Mavic Mini for a fast review. Today we have newer 616 RGB LED light with app control, adjustable colors and metal shelf. It provides shadowless and even lighting for creative applications. Perfect for vlog, live broadcast, online class, video recording, interviews, video studio, news and presentation. The DashView T2 teleprompter is the perfect solution for vloggers, online content creators and broadcasters that are required to read from a screen. The ML16 pitched as an optional solution for photography on the go. Godox offers you an optimal lighting solution LED light ML16. If you want a light that offers dazzling brightness in a TV package for photo or video, ML16 is the best choice. Running a YouTube channel but struggling to get the audio clean and clear, or perhaps you're thinking of starting a new channel and you're wondering what gear you need to buy. This wireless microphone is the Rode Wireless Go. If you like today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. Ciao! The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is a new addition to Samsung tablet lineup. With its narrow bezel and large immersive screen, the Tab S6 Lite not only brings you a bigger picture, but nails that modern, minimalistic design. If you are looking for an alternative device for your daily recreational dose of entertainment, then Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is a good option to go with. If you are doing any move that needs absolute precision or repeatability, there is no other way to do it that without a Hot Dog 3 motorized slider. The Easy Onion Hot Dog Motorized Slider 3 is one of the most simple, user-friendly system available and very much worth the investment. This compact slider is only 33 cm long and it can carry cameras up to 8 kg, which is pretty impressive.
Today we have Hohem iSteady Pro 3 for review. It has enough features and extra functions to keep talented videographers busy, especially as they get to use the creative option included on the app. The motorized Micro 2 slider with high precision turbine self-looking structure supports both horizontal and vertical smooth motion. Motorized Micro 2 is powered by high torque step motor with minimum noise of 39 decibels only. Hello, I'm Flora, and today we have Hohem iSteady X, the ultralight smartphone gimbal. And now it's ready. Let's try it. Today we have Zico Micro 2 E800 motorized camera slider for review. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. Bye!